In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a realistic typing effect in Figma. This is a clean, professional way to simulate someone typing text on screen. Perfect for app mockups, onboarding flows, or product demos animating every letter. Start by opening your design in Figma, so the artboard that contains the text you want to animate is visible. Make sure the text says exactly what you want it to say and that it's on a single text layer. Keeping it tidy now will save time later. Next, open Quick Actions and head to the Plugins section. Then search for Typist and run it. Typist is a focused animation helper for text. Its entire job is to automate the tedious work of creating letter by letter variants and wiring up the timing for you, so you don't have to build a complex prototype by hand. With Typist open, select your text layer in the canvas. In the plugin, choose the Type by Letter option. This tells Typist to reveal your text one character at a time, just like real typing. Now set the typing speed to match the feel you are going for. Slower speeds feel deliberate and instructional, while faster speeds feel energetic and conversational. You can preview the value in your head by imagining how fast you'd type the same sentence. When you are happy with the speed, click Create Component. Typist will automatically convert your text into a component. Generate a variant for every incremental letter and chain them together with after delay interactions. That after delay is key. It advances through the variants on a timer, so the text appears to type itself, hands free. Now create a frame to host the animation. Size it to the device or layout you are designing for, so your preview matches the final context. Open the Assets panel, find the newly created component, and drag it onto your frame. Position and resize it as needed. Because it's a component, you can align it precisely with your layout grid and maintain consistency across screens. When everything looks right, click Preview in the top right corner of Figma. In the presentation window, you'll see the realistic typing effect play back automatically, driven by the after delay timings Typist set up. If the pace feels a bit off, simply return to the plugin, adjust the speed and recreate the component to update the timing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.